Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable night light on HP laptop. And to do this, first and I think quickest option for it is to click on your panel in the bottom right corner of the screen where the Wi-Fi, sound and battery settings are. Inside you should be able to find the night light and you can activate or deactivate it. Next option is to click on the Start. Go for the settings with that gear icon. Here select System on the left and move to the display on the right. Inside there's night light again and you can turn it on and off. But right here you will get more options by clicking on this arrow to the right, and you can adjust the strength of the night light when it's activated, and there's the preview. You can also schedule the night light for a specific time of a day or set it automatically from sunset to sunrise, and here you can do the manual hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.